Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link DoorDash to Amazon Prime. All right, so first up, open up your favorite browser and then go ahead and log into Amazon Prime, okay? Look it up right here in the URL box, Amazon Prime. Hit on enter, and then once done, go ahead and click on the first link, okay? Or you could go ahead and scroll down and find the ones that got amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Okay, just click on it. Wait for it to load, then go ahead and sign in with your Amazon account, okay? Just go ahead and sign in and wait for it to load. And once it loads, you'll have your Amazon Prime in here. You'll be able to find that you got a Amazon Prime if it doesn't say start your free trial right here, okay? Also, you don't have this option, okay? Just go ahead and check if you have the Amazon Prime subscription. And once that's done, while it's logged in right here, the same browser, go ahead and find DoorDash Amazon Prime. Okay, hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on this one with offer DoorDash Prime deal. Click on it. All right, and in here, just go ahead and sign in. Okay, just sign in. And then in here, you should be able to see a button that says continue. Okay, and it says here, by proceeding, you agree to be enrolled into Dash Pass. Okay, just hit on continue, and the next pages, you'll be able to click on the activate button to unlock your free Dash Pass. And you'll be prompted to create a DoorDash account if you don't have one. All right, and once that's done, just go ahead and order a DoorDash on the Amazon app or website, and you can choose payment method from your Amazon account. Okay, and that is it. Just hit on continue and follow the simple prompts, and once done, your DoorDash account will be linked to Amazon Prime. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.